Dixie took care of that. Well, there she is. It's all done. It's an urn I created for our sister-in-law who passed away recently. I've done several urns in the past. I'll pick it up, give you a little closer look. This is a cherry with spalted maple. Some nice figure in there. Camera went off, I couldn't see. The top panel, when I made it, it broke into a couple of pieces. So I had to make another one. This one turned out much nicer. I'll probably take the short videos I did, I'm going to try and put them together. One video lasts about 10 minutes of me working on this thing a bit. Hope you enjoyed watching. Spalted maple. Mother Nature can really make some beautiful stuff.